I seriously don't know why it took me so long to think of this. I have used so many different editorial calendars. I probably have at least 10 saved to my Google Drive. But you know what? Google Calendar. Google Calendar does everything that I needed to do. So, this is an example right now of I'm in the process of putting together a content calendar, editorial calendar plan for the rest of January into February. And here's what's super cool. I can click that straight off. I can just put in, here's my regular meetings. And then if I want to see the content calendar, I just put that in and I can take my regular meetings off so it doesn't get so crowded. And I can view it by the week to help me to see everything. I've color coded everything. So this pink is Instagram. This blue is the main content piece, the blog. This teal, not really teal, what is that? They call it like peacock green or something, is Facebook group. Um, Instagram stories has this red, which is related to the pink. And then you can add in the description any references that you need. So like I'm doing this Reels challenge, so I have the list of the instructions there, and you can add attachments. So like if there's any kind of once I create like the Canva images to go with something, I can just attach it here. I can access this from both my computer and my phone. I mean, what more could you want? Okay, it doesn't schedule it for you. I should look at Zapier. That's probably asking too much. But this is such a nice way to organize and see the plan, and then I can add it to a scheduler or add it manually. And like with my blog, I have a list here of all of the places to repurpose it and reshare it. So like all the info I need is in here, and when I want to look at my actual meetings, it's super easy to click away from it. How cool is that? So the way that I've done this is under my calendars, you can add a new calendar that can be anything that you want. And it has a default color. So you can see even on this pink, there's like a little bit of the purple on the side there because that's the default color of this calendar. But like if I want to add something that's a different color, I can just change it here and it doesn't change what calendar it's on. And I can add description, I can add attachments, and I can save. I have my Google linked to my Zoom, but I do not need to make these things Zoom meetings. So create, is that where we do it? Golly, I've forgotten how I created this new calendar. Subscribe to create new calendar. There it is. So under other calendars, create new calendar. And, I called it content plan or whatever. And it can be owned by me, time zone, and create. So, yeah. This is a free and relatively simple way to do a content calendar. It may not look simple, but I like being able to put the color-coded all the different things into a day, because a lot of the content calendars only give you like the spot for one piece of content. And I'm like, but I'm putting content on 5 different social platforms. So, yeah, I'm very, very pleased with this, and I could not resist sharing how simple this is as a way of doing an editorial calendar. So I hope that this was fun and eye-opening for you as well.